studio microphone. Did you know that silver has quietly outperformed many major assets over the past decade? And yet, most investors still ignore it? While everyone's busy watching Bitcoin and gold, silver might be the hidden treasure waiting to explode. In today's video, we're diving deep into the current price of silver, live spot rates, what's driving the market, and most importantly, where silver could be headed next in 2025 and beyond. If you've ever wondered, should I invest in silver now or wait? This video is your complete guide. Stay till the end, because by the time you finish, you'll know exactly how smart investors are using silver to hedge, profit, and protect their wealth. Let's start simple. Silver, the poor man's gold, has been part of human history for thousands of years. From coins to jewelry, from solar panels to electronics, silver is everywhere. But here's what's interesting. The silver market is much smaller and more volatile than gold, which means it can move faster, both up and down. In this video, we'll break down today's live silver spot rate, why the price moves the way it does, future predictions, and what experts are saying. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether silver should be part of your financial plan. Historically, silver has always played a dual role, a precious metal and an industrial metal. That means its price depends on two worlds, global industry and global finance. Example, in 2011, silver hit $49 per ounce, its highest in modern history. But by 2015, it crashed below $15. In 2020, during the pandemic, it rebounded again above $28. The reason? Economic uncertainty drives investors to buy silver as a safe haven. Industrial demand, especially from solar energy and electronics, also keeps pushing prices upward. Right now, in 2025, the global silver demand is projected to reach 1.2 billion ounces, led by clean energy initiatives, battery tech, and electric vehicles. Chart increasing the live silver price explains so. What exactly is the spot price of silver you see online? It's simply the current market price for immediate delivery of 1 ounce of silver. Today, silver trades around $29 to $31 per ounce, depending on market movement. This number changes every few seconds due to dollar strength. A strong dollar equals weaker silver price. Interest rates, global inflation data, investor sentiment. Think of it like this. When investors fear inflation or recession, they run toward precious metals like silver and gold for safety. Case study. When the U.S. Federal Reserve increased interest rates sharply in 2022, silver temporarily dipped, but as inflation fears returned, it bounced back stronger than expected. Factors driving silver prices in 2025 now. You might be wondering, what's really moving silver right now? Let's break it down. Industrial demand. 50% of silver demand comes from industries like solar panels, EVs, and semiconductors. Investment demand. ETFs and private investors buying physical silver bars and coins. Mining supply. Silver mining output has fallen slightly in recent years due to stricter environmental laws. Geopolitical tensions. Conflicts or trade issues make investors seek safe assets. AAP sak rahi hung. Agar demand itni strong high to price or tez kya nahi bad raha. Simple, because markets move in cycles. Smart investors buy when others are ignoring the opportunity. Silver versus gold. Which is better? Let's compare. Gold is about stability. Silver is about leverage. If gold rises 10%, silver often jumps 20 to 30%. But the opposite is also true. It falls faster. That's why professional investors call silver a high beta version of gold. Here's a short analogy. Think of gold as the heavyweight boxer. Consistent, reliable, but slow. Silver? The lightweight champion. Fast, unpredictable, but powerful. That volatility is what gives investors the potential for bigger profits, if they play smart. Rocket Silver Price Forecast 2025 to 2030. Experts predict silver could touch $35 to $40 per ounce by 2026 if industrial demand continues growing. By 2030, some analysts even forecast $50 plus if renewable energy expansion accelerates. However, the risks include economic slowdown, less industrial use, dollar strengthening, market manipulation, as seen in past silver squeezes, Crystal ball, what if silver becomes a key component in next-gen battery tech? That could trigger a new wave of demand and send prices soaring overnight. So, to wrap up, silver isn't just a shiny metal. It's a strategic asset, a bridge between traditional value and the modern economy. Whether you're investing for long-term security or short-term gains, silver deserves a place on your watch list. Speech balloon, remember, when everyone chases gold, the real opportunity often hides in silver. If this video helped you understand the silver market better, back-end index pointing right like this video, subscribe to Fintrix and comment below. Do you think silver will hit $50 before 2030?